Originally, I had my breast done 5 years ago after breastfeeding 2 children for over a year and a half, and they just looked unacceptable. So I did some research and I found a doctor in the city, and I felt I needed to go to the city because that's where the best work would be done, and I was never satisfied with the surgery. They weren't completely even, I could feel the bags, but being 30 years old, I accepted it for what it was and let it go. And then 5 years later, I had a routine mammogram that came back saying that my left breast implant was ruptured. So we did an MRI, and I couldn't even remember the doctor's name I had seen on 86th and 5th. That's all I could remember was where he was. But I racked my brains, looked through my paperwork, found everything, went to see him. And he was 99.9% positive my implant was not ruptured, and shooed any concerns I had about silicone leakage, and just like he had 5 years ago when I was concerned with the uneven areolas, the visible bags, the squaring at the bottom of the breast. So I continued my research because I was not going to do surgery again with him. I called my good friends, got advice from clients, and saw several other doctors. And my very good friend who had surgery with Dr. Gerut suggested strongly I come and see him, and I'm really, really glad that I did. Because from the first consultation, he put me at ease. Because over a month, I had driven myself crazy, thinking about how the silicone is leaking. All of a sudden, mentally, my breast started to hurt, and he calmed me down within 5 minutes. He made me feel like everything was going to be okay, no matter what, if it was ruptured or not. And day of surgery, I felt so comfortable that I almost felt like I was at home and that the staff was family. And the results speak for themselves. I love my breast now more than I ever did. It was what originally I had always wanted. And I feel safe, and I feel healthy, and the fact that they are perfect is just icing on the cake. All the follow-up appointments have been easy. There's no wait in the office. Everyone is kind and sweet, and it's like being at home.
That was really good. That was really good. I don't know how to view it, but
We'll view it, and then I'll be back next week. We could always redo it,
Yeah.
and I'll do my hair or something.
okay. I'll take it to him.